Hello, welcome in the new development update video from the Unity to the chorus. In the last preview, I showed you that we can provide the attack, we can cast the attack with the enemy, but I told you that we cannot cause the damage to the enemy. This has changed from the last update. Now we can cause the damage to the enemy, plus we can also display the death animation when that enemy health will be 0. So now, when I will play the game, you will see when I will cast the attack and I will hit the enemy, there will be animation that we are hitting the enemy. It is playing the damage and everything, as it should be. Plus, when the health will reach 0 of the enemy, will display also the death animation. Okay, so one more time. Here is one more enemy, and the second enemy, and the third enemy will display the animation. Okay, so how it is done, I will show you a small preview of this as well. So we have a state machine on the enemy skeleton. So I will go to the state machine folder. I will show you that we have here states. We have a skeleton state 1, in which we are displaying these actions to follow the player, as you saw, that we are following the player and also flip in the player direction, which is this, that the player can change the direction the player is facing. You can see it's they're turning into the my direction. That's a flip in the player direction. And also we have here a condition. Health is equal or less than 0. So when the enemy health is less or equal to the 0, then we are going to the new state. We are going to the state 2. And in a state 2, I have only one action, which is called play that animation on enter. So when we will enter the second state, we will call this code to display that animation you could see. So that's how it's done. Implementation part you can already watch in the chorus, and the chorus is available, you know where. academy.eindcode.com. Just in case, I will show you. Why not? Okay, so give me just a second. academy.eindcode.com, and here you can already preview chorus. I have from the last lecture I've added actual lots of them. There is almost 100, and I will be adding more today. So that's the chorus, and I hope to see you around. Cheers.